going down the railroad. There's no sitting still and, you know.
Yeah, I've talked to a guy who used to be an engineer for Amtrak. Down, he worked out in NOLA.
Well, okay.
He said the biggest thing is with him, or with engineers now, is obeying the speed limit.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
He said if you get caught going 1 mile an hour over the speed limit on a railroad, hauling like coal and all that, he said,
Hey,
done.
how's Asian City?
It's all right.
He's still
Back already, huh?
he's still on vacation. He
Is
says.
I'm still on vacation. You
Oh,
didn't see
okay.
me.
I didn't see that, right? Yeah.
Is that what he
No,
was?
he was a break. He wasn't a brakeman. He was a fireman.
So
Yeah,
when
he
you fire
said
this
to
up, you going to use coal or oil?
Well, it would cost too much money to convert this back to coal.
Yeah.
And we've already talked to the EPA, and they said they would rather see us use recycled motor oil and cooking oil than use coal. So I've got a couple commitments on motor oil, and Mr. What's your name? Who owns McDonald's franchise has already agreed to give us cooking oil.
Wow.
So it'll smell like French fries on that.
There you go. Yeah.
So it'll work for him,
Well,
you know.
Good luck to you.
Well,
Hope
thank
you get
you.
it running.
Hope to have this thing running next year. So
That'd be great.
we'll advertise in the paper and be on the internet and everything.
All right.
First to get her going, yeah.
Thanks, sir.
Okay, thank you folks for coming.
Yeah, I'm still on vacation.
When did you get back?
Thursday.
Thursday afternoon.
Saturday that Thursday.
So I wonder, I was upstairs working on the HO yesterday.
Nicole called me and asked me about checking on the site or something. That other site, like the car or something.
Oh, you mean down at the